Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Mischievous Nephews. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Mischievous Nephews from Codesignal. Let's begin. So you have nephews Huey, Dewey, and Louie that are with you in the winter holidays, okay? And they're these little rascals that do whatever they please, alright? And so you try to analyze their behavior by creating a mischief table, and it has the following columns: mischief date, author, and title. Alrighty. So now you want to create a resulting table with the 4 columns: weekday, mischief date, author, and title, where weekday is the weekday of mischief date, 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, and so on. The table should be sorted for weekday column. Okay, so this is the priority. Remember this. Sorted by the weekday column. And for each weekday, Huey's mischief goes first. Okay, that's part of the priority. Second is Dewey, and third is Louie. And in case of a tie, mischief date should be a tiebreaker. Now, there's still a tie in the record where the lexicographically smallest title should go first. Wow. That is a heck of a lot of information. And we don't even have the weekday. So what's... Okay, so this is an example here. We have the mischief author date title, but we don't... Now, the output should include the weekday, mischief date, author, and title. So let's break it down, guys, all right? Oh, and this is the answer, by the way. Feel free to follow the link in the description below or slowly pause this video to absorb the answer. All right. So let's break it down. This is very big. If I talk about it, I could talk about it in circles, and you guys would be like, just get me the answer. So let's get the answer. First, we want to get the weekday. Now, how do we do that? There's actually a SQL function called weekday that we can use, and I want to do it by the mischief date. Next, what we can do is the mischief date itself, because that's what we're trying to return, the author, and the title. And we want it from the table called mischief. Alright, so we have that one taken care of. Next, we want to do it by the order. By first, oh, by the way, once we have the weekday values for mischief dates, I want to make sure that I give it this called an alias, and I want to make sure it goes by the actual name of the column name that we want it to be, which is weekday. Because if we just output it like this, the column, it's going to show this parentheses, mischief date, and all that stuff. That's something we don't want to see. We want to see it by the name of weekday. All right, now order by. So we want to do it order by weekday, and here we're going to use the alias that we created, weekday, order by weekday, and next we want to use, now this time the next priority is by what the author of this problem said, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. That's the order it should go. So I'm going to use this other SQL function called field, and I want to specify that we want to use those author values, and we want them to go by this order. First, it's going to be Huey. So what field does is that it allows you to rearrange the index values to whatever order you specify for the corresponding column. In this case, it's author, and I want them to go in this order: Huey, Dewey, and Louie. All right, and now there's a tie for that one. I want to go by mischief date. And let's hope that I'm doing this correctly, or else this 5 minutes I've been going through would be for nothing. And next should be title. It should go first, so I'll do title. And lexicographically small should go first. I think this is correct. I think this is already ordered by lexicographically smallest to largest. So if I run tests, I think this should pass. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. Wait, let's don't celebrate too early. Holy cow, it passed. Dang, guys. I'm going to go over this. This is very dense. So first, there's some big things that we want to take care of, okay? Some big things, some highlights. One, we want to get this weekday column based off the mischief date. We're going to take advantage of SQL's function called weekday, where it will return those certain values, where 0 is, I believe, Monday, and Sunday is 6. There you go. So we have that taken care of. Now we want to rename it to the column name that we want to show in the resulting table, which is weekday. So we use this alias or the special keyword code as to give it that name. Now we could take advantage of that name to give it in the corresponding order, which is weekday, then the people right here, mischief date, and title. And when I say people right here, another big thing we have to know about is how the field function works, which reorders the indexes for the values given by author per how you specify it right here. So a whole lot to go through, guys, but I hope you like this sort of content. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, I hope I got this right. I hope Huey, Dewey, and Louie are the three ducks from, I forgot what that Disney channel is called. I heard it from someone talking about, let's go type and see what it is. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I bet they're from this Disney cartoon. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my gosh. I forgot what the show is called. DuckTales? Yeah, it's DuckTales. Alright guys, so if you like and subscribe, these Huey, Dewey, and Louie, you get to spend a whole weekend with Huey, Dewey, and Louie and do a bunch of mischief with it. And don't worry, it's all sponsored by Scrooge McDuck. So, yeah, don't worry. I'm just kidding, guys. Have a good day. Take care.